Kids, read with me. There are many kinds of animals on the earth. Some animals live on land, some animals live in water, some animals live on trees and in forests. Some animals are big and some are small. Animals live in different places like forests, farms, rivers, and oceans. Animals eat different kinds of food. Cows, goats, and deer eat grass and leaves. They are called herbivores. Some animals eat other animals. They are called carnivores. Lions, tigers, and cats eat meat. Animals need food, water, and shelter to live. We should be kind to animals and take care of them.